Hey guys, Nick with Security Pros, and we're going to go over the wireless cascade function on our SureVision wireless kits. Wireless cascading allows you to piggyback off of cameras that are closer to the NVR system. This allows cameras that would normally be out of range establish a strong connection back to the NVR. This is a great way to extend your wireless cameras to new boundaries. I'm going to show you a small scale example of how wireless cascading works. In this example, we have a single wireless NVR located in the center of our office complex. Wireless cameras 1 and 2 are located comfortably within our showroom, no more than 30 or 40 feet away from the NVR. The goal is to extend across the street with a ton of obstacles. Wireless camera 4 is a little too far from the NVR with all those obstacles in the way. However, by placing camera 3 right outside of our doors, we can use the Cascade feature to connect camera 4 to camera 3 instead of the NVR. I'm going to show you how to do this now. First, head to the main menu, click Network, and then click Wi-Fi AP. Finally, click Wi-Fi Cascade. Inside of this menu, you'll see the connections for each camera back to the NVR. In order to configure the Cascade, the cameras should be in range of the NVR first. So I'm going to put my cameras that I'm going to be using in the Cascade near the NVR system temporarily to ensure a solid connection. My camera's status indicators show green. That means we have a good connection, and we should see the camera live on the NVR screen. If you remember, cameras 1 and 2 are not part of the Cascade, only 3 and 4. Camera 4 is going to connect to camera 3 in our example. Left-click on the camera, hold your click down, and drag the camera to the right of the camera you wish to cascade from. In our example, camera 4 is going to connect to camera 3. Click Apply once the cascade is complete. The camera that has been set to cascade will reboot, and it may take a moment for it to come back up on your live view. I would recommend waiting until you see the camera's live feed before moving it, just to make sure the connection has been made. For our test, I have a few battery packs so that I can run across the street to test. Camera 3 is located on the ladder, and I'm going to take camera 4 with me. I'm approximately 100 feet from camera 3, and about 50 to 60 feet from the NVR. While this example isn't very far from the NVR, there are a lot of obstacles in our way here. We have several office walls, brick, and glass. Prior to using the Cascade feature, we were not able to connect at this distance due to the environmental obstacles. I do want to show you another example without obstacles. This time, all of the devices are line of sight. This will showcase the true power of wireless cascading. Our wireless NVR is located approximately 350 feet from wireless camera 1. Wireless camera 2 is connected to wireless camera 1 using a Cascade and is roughly 300 feet from wireless camera 1. Wireless camera 3 is connected to wireless camera 2 using a Cascade as well and is roughly 250 feet from wireless camera 2. You can see how impressive these results are. Your results may vary depending on your environment. However, we operate in a fairly busy complex, and I was truly blown away with the performance of this kit. I hope this video was informative, and as always, if there's anything we can do to help, don't hesitate to shoot us an email or give us a call.